Want to make sure your customers never miss a crucial sale or exciting new product launch on your WooCommerce store. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to create eye-catching announcements that keep your customers informed and engaged. The easiest way to achieve this is by using a dedicated announcement bar plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then Add New. In the search bar, type Announcement Bar. You'll see several options for this demonstration. We'll use a popular and user-friendly one-click Install Now on your chosen plugin. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now, you'll typically find the plugin's settings either in the main WordPress menu or under its own dedicated section. Let's go there. Here, you can craft your announcement type in a clear and concise message. For example, highlight a current sale like Flash Sale, 20% off all items today only. You can customize the appearance to match your brand, choose background colors and text colors that stand out without being jarring. Next, decide where you want your announcement to appear. Most plugins offer options like displaying it on all pages, just the home page, or specific product categories. Make sure the bar is set to be visible, and then click on Save Changes. And there you have it. Your announcement is now live on your WooCommerce store, ready to grab your customers' attention and drive them to your latest offers. Use this powerful tool to announce new products, special promotions, or important updates, ensuring your customers are always in the loop and your sales remain strong. Easy to set up, incredibly effective for engagement.